What's up, y'all? Kaizen here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I've passed my evaluation. I'm about to update my account to the funded stage. So as you can see, we got 3K P&L, 73% win rate, 3.2 profit factor, average win 176 to 150. The max drawdown I've ever had on this eval was 590, and we're up 1K on the day. Um, I journaled my trades. Um, I've entered my trades in. If I go here, and I'm going to show the exact same trades I took today anyway. So here are my trades for the day. I had 3 losses, I believe, or 4 losses, and the rest was history. And I'm about to actually take a screenshot of the chart now so you can see what I was looking for. So let me upgrade this to funded. Okay, it's upgraded to funded. So now I'm gonna have all my data from my eval still in my trading journal, right? Still here. All of this is gonna still be here. Okay, so what did I see today? Let me go to 15 minute. I really have been getting down candle timing. So I didn't really see anything in this. I didn't see anything at market open because we were already up here or whatever. And we have been trending up in a continuation for a while. Actually, this is what I wanted to see here. Let me actually go on MNQ. I think I marked it up on MNQ. Okay, so yeah, where this white line is where I actually wanted price to come before I took a trade. But that didn't happen. So I basically just traded the 15-minute market open candle. And here are my exact trades within it. Um, Market sold off a little bit, and all I did was wait for a type 3 pullback. It pulled back, ended up going all the way down, breaking the low, sell it off. Now, like I said, where this blue line is, this is originally where I wanted to get in because I thought price would continue up, and it did do that, but I had to realize that we had already we had been going up for a while, and we had swept a low down here. So I should have entered here, but I wasn't really sure, and then it was still like 8:40 something. So I was like, I'm gonna just wait till 8:45 or the new candle to open. It ended up opening, and I ended up buying, and with the intention that it would come up here and sweep this high, which it did on the 8:45 new 15-minute open. So it's pretty simple because I only need like $200 left, 200 left on this. So if we go here, I think my last trade was 195. Yep, 195 and $68. Pretty simple. And if I would have kept continued trading, I kind of would have recognized, okay, we already had this big move. We just had a huge rejection from up here. I'm gonna just wait for a pullback. We have our pullback here. Would have sold off again. Another pullback, sold off again. It's probably going to start stalling out because it's clearly holding. What's the word for it? It's clearly holding price down here, but it may break through. It may not. It depends on what the market decides to do. But pretty simple. So we passed this eval in 4 days. 4 days. This was probably the easiest evaluation I've ever traded, literally. And it's all because I'm trading the exact same way. I'm looking for pullbacks in a certain type of pullback. For me, it's a type 3. And all I'm doing is taking the same trades, like literally over the last, besides this first day, which was more a continuation of how the market was moving. And I could actually go to that in my journal. So this was the first day. I just kind of waited for a little mini pullback and it just continued up. But as you can see, there wasn't really much movement in the market. But on these two, and then my trades I'm going to document today, it was a type 3. Went up, pulled back, entered type 3. Coming down. It was coming down. It pulled back for a little bit. Rejected resistance, type 3. And I could have, wasn't really a type 3. I actually got it early. But had I waited or came back later, this was actually the type 3 I was looking for. This huge candle coming up to come back into this area. Pull back. Pretty simple, straight to the point. But that's it for the video. So I'm going to let you know how this funded account goes, because this was a, if I go to it, yeah, this was a $89 no activation fee. So we're going to see how this goes. Yeah, we're going to see how it goes or whatever. I'm going to continue to trade 2 micros and probably 1 mini at most if I see prices doing what I think it's going to do. But that's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace.